One day, Raju received a call from an unknown number.
I am calling from the local health center. We are calling to provide the vaccination facility at your home.
Oh, okay. But we can do it through the Coven app only, right?
Yes, sir, but the home vaccination facility is not available on the app.
Are there any extra charges?
No, sir. It is free of cost. I will verify your address and you will get registered for the vaccine. Please tell me your Aadhaar and PAN card details.
My Aadhaar number is 1234455 and my PAN card number is ADF1234.
Thank you, sir. Please wait. I am registering your Aadhaar and PAN card. You will get a registration OTP code. Please share that.
Raju received an SMS about verification code.
Yes, it is 1234.
Thank you, sir. You have successfully registered for the vaccine and you will get a confirmation soon. Please share the code when our health officials visit to vaccinate you.
The call got disconnected. After some time, Raju got an SMS. Dear customer, your request for a personal loan of 50,000 rupees has been successfully accepted. The fraudster tricked Raju into sharing his PAN number and OTP for taking a loan of 50,000 rupees on behalf of Raju. Taking a loan based on Raju's PAN number makes Raju liable to pay back the loan to XYZ company.
Don't share your Aadhaar PAN card details and OTP with strangers. PAN card based OTP is used for various financial services, including cash withdrawal from bank accounts. Therefore, it is extremely important to protect your confidential details like Aadhaar and PAN card from fraudsters. For social cause by Kardey Intanges and co-supported by Oneshell.